MissUniqueBeautii in the building, and I'm back with another video. If you're new to my channel, tap that subscribe button so that you won't miss out on any of my new uploads. And if you have already subscribed, what's good, what's poppin', welcome back to my channel. The items that I'll be using in today's video is the Shake and Go Crochet Wig Cap with combs, my crochet needle, a clip, and some T-pins. The hair that I'll be using in today's video is by a brand called DeJa, and this is their Bohemian Passion Twist, and this is supposed to be a one-pack solution. It has 9 inches, 10 inches, and 11-inch hair in it, and it's 105 strands. So I'm gonna test it out to see if I only truly need one pack to complete this wig. Now this wig is not going to be a traditional headband wig, it will be a half wig that you can add your cute little flare of headbands to it at the end. So what I'm doing first is applying my wig cap to the mannequin, securing it down with some T-pins, and then we're gonna get right down into installing these twists. The look that I was going for with this wig was for the wig to look like everything is all one length. So instead of me starting with the longer length at the bottom, I am going to be starting with the shorter length at the bottom. Then the 10 inch is going to go in the middle, and the 11 inch is going to go in the top in the front section. I do want to mention that the loops on this hair was extremely easy to use, and because they were so easy to open up, this wig literally took me no time to make. Now because I am using 3 different lengths and I want to put them in 3 specific areas of the wig, I am going to start out by just mapping out exactly how far up I want to place the 9 inch and how far towards the side that I want to place the 9 inch as well. Now because this wig is meant to be one length, you want to make sure that you're dividing each length evenly throughout each section of the wig. So I am going to start off by staggering each of the twists going up in each row, and I am going to divide this one pack into 3 sections just to make sure that I am placing the 9 inch in the areas that I want them to be. Now after I'm done mapping out exactly how high I want these twists to go in the 9 inch length, I am going to go back in with the extra strands that I have left over, and I'm going to use them to fill in this section. This is what the back section of the wig is looking like after I went ahead and installed all of the 9 inch length in this section. For the side sections, I'm going to divide the 10 inch length into 2 evenly, and I'm going to install half on one side and half on the other side. I'm not going to install any of the 10 inch towards the back section in the middle, only on the sides of the wig. Now of course I am going to begin by laying my foundation with the staggering method. Then I'm going to go in and fill in this section with any of the twists that I had left over, and then I'm going to come back and show you guys how to do the front. For the front section and the top section of the wig, I will be installing the 11 inch length. And when I install any type of crochet styles in the front section of any of my wigs, I like to crochet each twist closer together because the front section of the wig is what will be seen the most, and this is where most of our styling will take place. So you want to make sure that you're filling in the front section as close as you can, and you want to also continue to do the staggering method as well in the front section. Now as you guys can see, I am kind of spacing them a little further back the further I go back on the front section of this wig, because I wanted to make sure that I was going to have enough twists to complete the wig. And of course, if I have any hair left over, I will be going in and filling in any of those spaces that I feel need the twist the most. Now I'm going to go ahead and finish up this section off camera, and I'll be back to show you guys the finished product and my thoughts on this hair. This is what the wig is looking like after I went ahead and installed the entire pack of this hair onto this wig cap. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys my slow-mo so that you guys can check out the wonderful movement of this hair. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what this wig looks like with two headbands that I thought would go perfect with the color of this hair. And as I do that, I'm going to go ahead and tell you guys my thoughts on this hair. Now, my first impressions of this hair is that it's extremely lightweight on your head. I love the burgundy color of this hair, and I love that it's mixed with black so that if you do not want the hair to look too red, you still have that black in there that helps to calm down the color. But what I will say about this hair is that I do not believe that one pack is enough for me. Now, if you are the type of person that doesn't mind the lightweight feel and look of this hair, then you can go ahead and definitely use one pack of this hair. But I do feel like I could have went in with about a half a pack more of this hair, if not the full entire second pack. And that will just help to fill in a lot of that gapping that you guys see in the back and a lot of the gapping that you see in the front section of this wig. But nevertheless, go ahead and add your favorite headband and sport this wig. In this video, I was able to show you guys how to create your own half wig using the one pack solution Bohemian Passion Twist by the brand DeJa. I did go ahead and purchase this hair from my local beauty supply store for $20. So for a one pack solution hair, it is a very affordable price. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below any questions that you may have, like this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye, my beauties!